Welcome back to ShapeEffects videos. In this video, we will detail how to set text within your creation. On the bottom right corner is the double A's. That's your text button. Next to that is a badge, number 6. That means you have 6 pieces of text that you can add. If you notice here, we're going to select Papyrus, but before we do, you'll notice when I hit that, your different fonts that come up. These are all the fonts that are available on your iPad. You'll be able to select any one of these that you wish. For now, we're going to take the Papyrus. I'm going to turn the font size down to 20 for now as well. And at this point, we're going to select a piece of text, or click in a piece of text, that is. And it's just very simple. This is a sample piece of text. And nothing really special, nothing fancy. We're going to increase that with the font size, as you'll notice here. Some kind of a piece of size there, that is. Now we're going to leave the shadow. You can turn the shadow off or on of that text if you wish. And you'll see that reflected once you hit minimize the keyboard, this button down here. Let's minimize the keyboard, and there's our piece of text. Now with that, you can change your piece of text to scale it, to do whatever you want, rotate it, whatever you wish to do with it. Whenever you're done, if you don't like it, you want to put it back to the original state, this button here on the top left will do that for you. Once you select that, its text returns back to normal, what you had. You can also flip the text. If you want a mirror image, you can do that too. Again, returning it back to normal, it'll unflip it for you. Or you can toggle the flip button yourself, and that'll do it as well. You also have some buttons here to do a rotation, one way or the other, to rotate. Or if you want to do a manual scale on that piece of text, and this will all work with objects as well, as you'll see in the future. For now, I'm going to return it to normal, and I'm going to put it down somewhere here. And that is how to add a piece of text. If you wanted to color your text, select the text again. Then I select fill, and let's see, I want to have the or the foreground of the text to be a bright magenta. Some people may say it's magenta. Now I want to say not the background, the shadow color of the text. Let's say I want to make that black. Sure enough, and then we select that, and there we do. We have our black background as well. You can also do an interesting thing on your fade, the foreground of the other text. You can fade, or the background. You can fade in and out as also. That way you can actually do some kind of basically fusing the two different colors together. You can fade the foreground enough to the background, and now you see it has a whole different look to it, doesn't it? Fiddling around with these different settings can really change the dynamics of your creation. With that in mind, I hope you enjoyed this piece, or this video piece, that is, and we hope you have a great day.